Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana muffin full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and gather 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup melted butter, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mash bananas, mix wet and dry ingredients separately, then fold gently to avoid overmixing. Spoon batter into lined muffin tin and bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool slightly before serving. Use ripe bananas with brown spots for maximum sweetness and moisture. Substitute up to 25% whole wheat flour without ruining texture, and try 1 teaspoon vanilla for depth. Keep wet and dry bowls separate until combining, and do not overmix or muffins will be tough. If you like nuts, fold in 1/2 cup chopped walnuts at the end for extra crunch and flavor. For a sweeter touch, sprinkle 1 tablespoon turbinado sugar on top before baking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for storing muffins and snacks. They seal tightly and stack neatly. They make packing breakfasts or sending muffins to work effortless and mess-free. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Bake muffins at 350 degrees F for about 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let muffins cool in the tin 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack to avoid sogginess. To store, keep in an airtight container at room temperature up to 3 days, or freeze up to 3 months. Thaw at room temperature and warm briefly before serving. Reheat in a toaster oven for 3 minutes at 300 degrees F for a fresh taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.